If you're in the fabrication game, don't look past the precision and versatility of the Metalmaster M28 Pro Series welding table from Hare and Forbes Machinery House. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. With welded and ribbed construction from 25mm heavy steel plate and precision CNC machine to ensure flatness of 0.1mm per square metre, the Metalmaster M28 Pro Series welding table adds precision to your fabrication tasks. The surface has been plasma nitrided to increase hardness and rust and spatter resistance. The 28mm holes in the table have been bored with a diagonal hole pattern for a variety of fixture options, and the engraved 100mm grid lines and perimeter ruler add to the ease of setting up your work with speed and precision. So, up your fabrication game today with the Metalmaster M28 Pro Series weld table. And for more information, visit Hare and Forbes Machinery House. And thank you for watching.